Hey people, this ain't your normal vlog. Emergency. There's a big forest fire quite close to my house. Well, what I consider close. The wind's taking it west at the moment, northwest. But in about 4 hours the wind's going to change direction and push it straight south, straight towards our house. There's blokes up there, well there's people up there now fighting it. They've just called me to see if I can bring myself the drone. I got an IBC, their water pump. I just got to go to the farm, grab a pipe, get some petrol for the water pump, and then make my way there. So we'll see when we're there. Right, here we are, coming down the road now. Let's see if I can get some video with it for you from this distance. It's hard to see, the light's bad, but then if you can see the smoke over there, look, we can zoom in. That's what we're heading to. This is only a tiny little bit of the fire. Our area of concern is this patch of wood here, because what's happening now, the wind is changing, it's coming back towards us. This side, left hand side of the road, it's 1 kilometre down that way. The fire is so out of control. There's a helicopter fighting it. Hopefully he's fighting it by now, we can hear him, so that's why I'm not allowed to fly my drone at the moment. We can see over here. It's coming. It's coming. It's pretty bad, people. This, everybody, is why you should love farmers. Look at that. Taking this very expensive tractor, shit spreader, and fighting the fires. Good on you, mate. Good on you. Update. It's currently 3 AM in the morning. You can see behind me. It's not out yet. It's been damping down. We've got the fire advancing right towards us. We're just damping down all the area in front where it's going to go. Hopefully it kills it. So can't really video much, but yeah, back to it. Sit rep. It's currently 4:30 in the morning. The next shift of volunteers has arrived, so now it's home time. Sleep time. So I've got some information about maybe of how the fire started. The electric company was here when I got here. What I found out is that they think there may have been an arc in the main power cables which caused ignition, obviously. So that could have been the cause of it. It's done a lot of damage. It's still going really badly. So hopefully they can get it under control, get some more aircraft up here and dump some more water on it. So fingers crossed. I did send the drone up quickly, but the wind's coming towards where I was, so you couldn't actually see anything. I will stick it on a bit of the drone footage on the end anyway, just so you can see just how, well, you can't really see much, but you can see how bad it was. So yeah, it's a bit of a strange video for you. So be safe out there, people. Bye bye.